The Handheld Steam Cleaner Model 14 PCS is a powerful cleaning tool that heats up in only 20 seconds, delivering robust steam at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 30 minutes. This steam cleaner offers the convenience of continuous steam, allowing for water refills at any time without the need for waiting, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Equipped with a 14-piece accessory set, this versatile steam cleaner is ideal for a wide range of surfaces, from ceramic and marble to sealed hardwood, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks. The lockable steam button adds an extra layer of safety and convenience, freeing your fingers from constant pressure and providing a comfortable cleaning experience. This device ensures a 100% chemical-free cleaning process, making it safe for both kids and pets, while the safety lock on the handle offers additional peace of mind. With its impressive design and features, the Handheld Steam Cleaner Model 14 pieces is a reliable choice for those seeking an efficient and eco-friendly cleaning solution.